Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Got a trail cam to show you. Let's get this out and we'll take a closer look at it. Okay, so here it is. And I literally got this on Monday. Today is Tuesday, so I got it yesterday. Amazon brought it over. Free shipping when you order. At least that's what my screen said. So, user manual. Here's the camera. And it has comes with a cable for uploading, cable for uploading, the micro USB. And it even comes with a strap to go around the tree. As you can see on the back here, hopefully you can see this, the strap will run through and then you just put it up against the tree. And it's actually smaller than I thought it was going to be. It's not very heavy, and I forgot to weigh it, so I'll throw it up on the screen, probably in this area here. The weight has a nice little control deck, 8 AA batteries it looks like. And it came with a little USB card. A little mini USB card came with that, so you don't have to worry about getting one. Although what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a second one, and when I get this mounted somewhere, which I already have an idea where I'm going to put it, I'm just going to go out, check the batteries, and then also just swap the cards and leave it. What I want to do is I want to put this out at elk camp out there in the woods where I did my dollar store knife video, and I like the fact that it's camoed. Has a little spot here. I don't know if you can see through it, but it's got a little loop here. So what I want to do is I want to attach it to the tree, but then I want to get a get a lock and lock the lid, and then run like a bike chain around the tree, so no one can just steal it. Open it up, steal the batteries, or try to steal it. Although they could still take a stick and destroy it, but they do. I'll be mad. So the strap. So the company is Lanmodo, Lanmodo. I'll put it on the screen. It's $59.99. They in the email she mentioned maybe there would be a discount code for my viewers. I guess I'm getting sun glare. But if she does, I will put it in the comments, and I'll pin that comment so you guys can go and check it out. Get the code. So if the comment is gone, the code's gone away. If you're seeing this video in 2030, after YouTube's up that long. So some of the features: it has a .02 trigger. So when something gets in front of it, it'll trigger, it said .02. It has night vision, which is pretty exciting, so hopefully I'll get some night shots. A 120 detection range, and it's waterproof. So, here it is again. Really looking forward to getting this sucker out there, because honestly, trail cam is something that's been on my wish list for a while now, because, my buddy Subarctic Wolf and Tools, he does, or Outdoors and Tools. Well, I'll link his channel, but he has a trail cam footage on his videos, and I always love seeing the animals. So I'm pretty excited about this. Then as soon as I get out to elk camp, I'm going to mount this and see if we can get some good footage. And that should be pretty exciting. Hopefully I'll get some. But yeah, it's nice, I gotta say. Pretty happy with it. And of course, for me, there's always, gear isn't just bought or obtained just to make videos. I'm actually going to get out and get some footage. Hopefully get some animal footage. Excuse me. Or just people walking by. And of course you'll see that footage, and I'm going to do another video mounting it, setting it up, and I'm going to do, hopefully there'll be footage involved So I need to get another clip. And then, yeah, so this will just be the initial video. So when I do the other videos, I'll just link this video down. Now I'm going to be posting this on Friday. And then after that video, there's going to be the lean-to. I started working on the lean-to on December 28th. Well, that was like weeks ago. Today is the 19th. So this will be up this Friday just to get it out. And then after that, there'll be the lean-to, in case you're wondering, hey, why didn't you set up the camera? It's like, well, because I'm always shooting videos, several weeks in advance ahead of upload time, simply in case I get sick or I end up having a busy week at work. There's always reasons why. Maybe I'm just not feeling good or something. So I've got like all week, the whole rest of this week uploads ready, and then I keep getting the sun in. After that, I've got like 15 videos ready to go. So there's content rolling through. So as always, thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing animal footage, hopefully, knock on wood. And we'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Let me know what you think in the description, and check the comments if there's a discount code. I'm going to be putting that in the comments, so don't forget that. And we'll catch you on the next one as I set this up. Well, not as I set this up, but there'll be a video of me setting it up.